Uno Flash, how to play. The rules are the same as regular Uno except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. On the bottom of the unit is the on-off switch. X is the demo mode. The 4 and 6 indicate how many seconds you want per turn. The infinity symbol means each player gets as much time per turn as they want. Before beginning, decide how fast you want to play. After dealing, place the deck face down on one side of the tray. Start the discard pile in the other tray. To begin play, each player presses the player button in front of them. The button you press will be your personal player button for the entire game. Press the play-pause button to start the game. The game unit will immediately pick a player to go first and light up their player button. To reset and start a new game, press and hold the play-pause button and the slap button for 3 seconds. When your player button is lit up, it is your turn. After your turn ends, you must press the player button and the game unit will pick the next player to play. Watch out, it could be you again. If you do not press your player button before the time runs out and the buzzer sounds, then you must draw 2 cards as a penalty. Action cards affect the next player lit up by the game unit, even if that player is you. After the player receiving the action completes it, they must press their player button in time or draw 2 cards. You can also play with targeted draw 2 and wild draw 4s, meaning that when you play one of these cards, you pick any player who must draw the cards. You can use the pause button to help with the time for this. And if the timer runs out for the next selected player because of this, they ignore the penalty. After you play a slap card, press the slap button. Now, all the other players race to press their player buttons. The last player to press their player button, as indicated by the flashing lights, draws 2 cards. Press the flashing player button to resume play. If you play a slap card, then press your player button instead of the slap button, then the slap action is cancelled and play continues as normal. If a slap card is the first card flipped at the beginning of the game, then return it to the deck and flip a new card. At the end of the round, slap cards are worth 20 points each.